I've had cowboys been out there in that dust all day, maybe allergic to some of that pollen, and they be coming in. So let me fix you a hot toddy. So first of all, what goes in it? A little raw honey. And folks, I'm talking about some good honey. If you can get it locally, it's even better. And some lemon in there. So let's get about that much in there. Guess what? Gotta have some bourbon. It's gonna help things better. So we're gonna pour about 1/4 of a cup in there, which is pretty close to that. And next, that magical elixir, black gold coffee. And fill it half full for me today because I'd like for it to be extra stout. Give it a good stirring, just sip on it. That's heaven right there, folks.